What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Joe here from Lazy Lab Acres, and if you're tuning into this video, chances are you got a tire on your tractor that is leaking, or you got something in it. This is going to be my first time plugging a tractor tire, and the reason for doing it, I got a nail in here. So, new construction home. I done work in this gravel area here, so I'm sure I picked up a nail either here or out in the yard earlier this spring or last winter. But I need to rip up the yard so that we can try to get grass, because the drought that we had this summer just wiped everything out. So I got a lot of tractor work to do, but we have to address this first. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show you that it's not that hard, I hope, and we'll get it back up and running, get some air back in here. These tires are rated at a max inflation of 40 psi per the tire for this TYM 574. I checked the other side, it's rocking at about 35, so I'm gonna get this back to 35 as well. Got my little Harbor Freight compressor, got my plug kit, got it off Amazon. If it's any good at the end of this video, I'll let you know, and I'll leave a link if so. So let's plug this tire. So I just want to note here that this is a nail, so I'm gonna make sure I got safety glasses on. I don't know how much pressure it's under, and I don't want that thing shooting up in my face. So make sure you got freaking something protecting your eyes, because you only got 2 of them and you can't get them back if something happens to them. So first up, make sure you get your real rusty pliers here and remove the obstruction. I'm gonna get in there, an angle. Got my plug ready to go. It's in there. Now hopefully I can rip this out real quick without smacking my hand on the frame of this tractor. There we go. Looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna check it. I just got some soapy water and my daughter's nice space cup here. It looks good. I don't see any bubbles forming other than the bubbles when I first pour it, but I think we got it. Looks pretty good. And hopefully where it's at, the tread here will protect this area from taking any impacts for the most part. So hopefully that plug will hold up pretty good. So I just was throwing air in there for a couple minutes with that real small crappy Harbor Freight compressor. And we're good. We're at 35. Check it again. Aside from them initial bubbles, I don't see any other bubbles forming, so that'll work. So there you have it. Too easy. I'm not a mechanic. This was my first time plugging a tire. I've changed plenty of tires, but I've never actually had to plug one, and that's pretty straightforward. This kit, I'm pretty sure it did what it's supposed to do. And I think on this, I could be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is so that the plug actually doesn't come out that much. But it held, we're good, only took a couple minutes. Time to do some work, but hopefully this video helped, or at least boosted your confidence, because some non-mechanic savvy dude can do it. So you can too. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in.